how to check your Lucky Wheels rewards on Poppo Live. So if you're finding it difficult on how maybe you're done playing games and you are looking for how to see your Lucky Wheels, your wins, your rewards on the game you have actually played. So I will display it on the screen or here. So how you can be able to check it out, how you can be able to see where your rewards are. You understand? So after playing a game on people's live stream or people's party, like playing a game or playing or gambling, you understand? Not playing a game, gambling, you understand? You need there's a reward that is being given. Maybe it might be doubled or times three. So you might not see it on your coin. There's a place where it actually is, where you can actually see your coins in there. It is already packed there waiting for you. So on that particular coin, you can actually decide to exchange gifts with people to tell them that they have so and so coin that you want to exchange it with them. Some people might just gamble it again and they will exchange it. And some people might just send it to people just in form of they are trying to give them. You understand? So I've already shown you where you can be able to see your Lucky Wheels reward on your Poppo Live. You understand? So don't be confused on where you can see your rewards, or don't think that maybe Poppo didn't actually reward you or send you back the coin which you gambled that you won and so on, but you couldn't see, because you might ask this question to someone that is actually on the live stream and maybe they might not really be in their right mind or in the right position to give you an answer, because one, everyone is just looking for a way to actually earn. So you might not really get that attention which you actually need to be able to get to know where your rewards are. You understand? So whenever you play a gamble, make sure you actually check that particular place to know if you want something or not. Sometimes it's actually on the maybe where your coins are expected to be. It is actually there, or it might be there the other place. You understand? Like the one I'm also showing you on the screen. So don't mistook it. Don't misunderstand it, or trying to start asking questions here and there. I played the gamble, but I couldn't see my rewards and so on. You understand? Because not everyone will actually give you that attention which you desire. So make sure you actually check in that place to know where your rewards are whenever you play a gamble or play any Lucky Wheels reward. You understand me? So do well to like this video, comment, subscribe. If you have any question, do well to say it on the comment section or right here to listen to your question and to give you an answer to it. See you in my next video.